This guide will help you manage lag spikes in Baldur's Gate 3 to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and improve performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Step 2. Update drivers. Keep your graphics card drivers up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as these often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to reduce the load on your system and minimize lag spikes. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help improve performance during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor performance. Use performance monitoring tools to keep an eye on your system's resource usage while playing. Programs like Task Manager or third-party software can help identify if any specific processes are causing lag spikes. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!